Whoa. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I do a really quick manicure. I had done pink and purple on my hands for Easter, and then I messed up on my thumb and did yellow and green, but I don't like any of it anymore, and it's chipping and it's gross, and it is time for everything to go, and I'll show you how I do that. So let's just jump right into it. So in order to do that, we're going to be using Care One nail polish remover on a cotton pad to remove the rest of the nail polish. So I'm going to start on the nails that I know I really don't have anything on, just to make sure that there are no little tiny pieces stuck behind. Here are my natural nails. I did file and shape them when I did the pink and the purple, so I think I'm just gonna leave them alone. Okay, so now that that is done, I'm going to be using Sally Hansen's Salon Manicure Base Coat. To be honest, I think it does work. I really do. It says shake gently, use alone or under a nail color. So we're gonna go ahead and shake that up. And I'm gonna go ahead and just place this right on my nails. Okay. Now that that is on, we can go ahead and move on to the color that I'm gonna do. I'm gonna let this dry for a little bit longer. The color that we're gonna use is by Essie, and it is called Sugar Daddy. This is probably one of my favorite and most worn colors. Okay, so here we are with one coat. I think we should go in with a second coat. Let's do that. The top coat that we are going to use is also by Sally Hansen. It is the Insta-Dri Anti-Chip Top Coat. Says shake gently, apply nail color, wait 2 minutes, apply one coat, and manicure will be dry to touch in 30 seconds. So that's pretty cool. I really haven't had any issues with this either, along with the base coat. This is very well loved. I barely have any product in here either. I don't know if you can see that. The camera is really picking it up. Alright guys, that is it. That is how I do my mini manicure at home. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you learned something. Maybe you'll go out and buy one of the products I used. I'm telling you, that base coat and top coat, my favorite. I've used it for years, love them. I hope you enjoyed watching this video during the quarantine. Maybe you will get inspired and paint your nails at home. I've seen a lot of my friends start to do like their acrylics and their gels at home, but over here we're just gonna stick to regular nail polish. I've been down that road of trying to do my acrylics myself, and yeah, it's a lot. I give you girls credit for doing it at home by yourself. It takes hours, but this was really quick and easy for me. Maybe like 5 minutes, 10 minutes tops if you get distracted. But yeah, the products are really simple and easy to use. As you saw, I was reading the directions, followed right through, did exactly what it said, and I think my manicure turned out great. So I will see you guys in the next video. Please stay safe and stay well during this quarantine. Give your friends a call, give your family a call, and I'll see you in the next video. Hope you liked.